Hi, algebra students. This is Mrs. O'Donnell. So I'm sorry that I'm out for some of your classes today, but here's some quick tutorials to help you get through whatever you might be struggling with on this worksheet. So the first section on this worksheet for graphing systems of equations, first of all, it tells you about the three different types of solutions. So, our three types of solutions, we have intersecting lines that have one solution. We have parallel lines that have zero solutions. And we also have coincident lines, which is really just two lines sort of overlapping. So they have infinitely many solutions. So today, our first section is that we're going to look at is how, when you're presented with a solution to a system of two linear equations, what do you need to do in order to check that solution? Okay, so notice here we're given the coordinate pair 8, 1. Our first equation is x plus y equals 9, and our second equation is 2x minus 5y equals 11. And all we're going to do is we're going to take that point, 8, 1, and we're going to plug it into each of our equations to test to see if we get a true statement. Okay, so keep in mind, coordinate pairs are always written x comma y. So we're going to plug in 8 to our x value, and we're going to plug in 1 to the y value and see if that makes a true statement. So 8 plus 1, well, when we do that, we get 9. And does 9 equal 9? Yes, it does. So it worked. That point is on the line x plus y equals 9. Okay. We want to do the exact same thing to our second equation to see that 8, 1 is a solution to both lines. Excuse me. So we're going to plug in 2 times 8 minus 5 times 1 and see if that equals 11. Right? So 2 times 8, that gives us 16, and 5 times 1 is 5. And when you take 16 minus 5, you get 11, and we know that 11 does in fact equal 11. So yes, we can say that 8, 1 is a solution to the system. And that's how you check a solution. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.